Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing Company. Today's project is about flat roof replacement residential on top of the garage. So we have the garage right here and it's leaking due to the rubber. So we are removing the siding on this section because we will implement the rubber all the way up to the wall, and we're gonna remove all the fence railings around the flat roof. All right, so Three Brothers Roofing. I'm going with flat roof replacement on the garage. So at this point now we can see the condition of the wood. It's bad. Okay, so this time when we're gonna install the rubber, we will bring all the way up to the wall. All right, and we have more damage on this section. The wood is really bad. All right, so we will take care of everything. So at this point we removed already the rubber, and we gonna lower a little bit the flat roof along the garage. So that's what we are doing right now, and in the meantime we are going to continue removing the railings because the owners, they will install new ones, but nothing to do with us. So at this point now we are on the beginning of replacing the bad wood. In the meantime we are replacing some piece of rafter that's along the garage. So like this one we replaced it new because the one wasn't no good, and we implement some like another one right here, and we're gonna install new fascia because the fascia was really bad. Not a problem, we will provide a solution. So at this point now we are installing our new fascia, and for this we use it 2x6 the solution, and as I mentioned we implement some new piece of 2x6 as a rafter to give better support. Okay, so at this point we install the new aluminum fascia. So at this point we install the ice shield. We install behind the garage, and this went all the way up, and then over there we are installing our base sheet to protect the wood. Okay, so at this point now we are applying the new rubber, and as I mentioned, on this specific project we are using a torch down. So this is how it looks, and of course from here we will extend the rubber all the way up to the wall. It will guarantee will be no leaking with snow accumulation. So the solution. All right, and as we did right here, the rubber, it's go all the way up to the parapet wall, and we extended 3-inch down, and we're gonna install new cupping on this small parapet wall. Okay, so at this point our rubber we extended all the way up to the wall. We remove the siding, and now we are working around the door. So at this point we installed the rubber up to the wall, and we installed the aluminum, and we put everything back in place, and now we are installing the guard to prevent debris getting into the garret. All right, so another project completed by A3 Brothers Roofing Company. See you guys next time. Chop chop.